Nursery 101, How to Decorate a Nursery. If you're looking for inspiration, Pinterest is the perfect place to start. Focus on broad concepts, like color, style or theme, but don't forget to pin those painfully cute details. Sometimes a single pin, something as simple as a swatch of wallpaper, a cute art print or a cuddly toy, can inspire an entire nursery design. Settling on a specific decorating style and/or theme is the quickest way to shave down your design choices, helping you to define everything from paint colors to furniture options. Now that your nursery is starting to come together, it's time to shift gears and start thinking about its little occupant. Have you baby-proofed your nursery space? Stocked up on nursery necessities, like diapers and wipes? Figured out what to do with all those adorable little outfits? If not, you may need a little help getting organized. Your nursery is almost done. Want to go the extra mile? Take your creation from finished to fabulous with some inspiration from other nursery designs. Easier said than done, right? Don't panic. Look to your inspiration images and study up on the latest color trends for choosing a nursery palette. Once you've narrowed down your ideas and identified your must-have pieces, use them to create a mood board, a visual summary of your nursery concept. This could be something as simple as a second, dedicated Pinterest board or as sophisticated as a digital rendering of your dream nursery. Prefer to go old school? Bust out the project board and create a cut-and-paste collage. Whatever works for you. Ready to hit the shops? Start with the crib and other bulky furniture items, like the changing table and rocker. Buying the furniture first will allow you to better visualize your nursery. Once everything is in place, you'll know how much space you have and what else is needed. Laying out the bones will also help you to make those first important decorating decisions, such as where to draw focus and what bedding to buy. Imagine painting your perfect nursery on a blank canvas. What's at the center of your composition? A crib set against a stunning accent wall? A well-dressed window? Just as every painting needs a subject, every good design needs a focal point, a specific area or item of interest that serves as both the subject and anchor of your design. It's a golden rule of decorating: always choose soft furnishings before you buy paint. It's much easier to match paint with textiles than finding fabulous bedding and curtains that just happen to pair nicely with your specific shade of Sherwin-Williams. Waddling around the shops is hard enough. Don't make it harder on yourself by limiting your selection. Time to bring your project to life. Clear out the room and cover the furniture. Prep, paper, and paint to your heart's content. Remember to use a good quality, VOC-free paint and ensure adequate ventilation. Let the room air out for as long as possible, and then clean it from top to bottom. Decorating a nursery is not about how much adorable nursery swag you have. It's about how you use it. Instead of trying to cover every inch of available space with decorations, try concentrating your decor in key areas. You can never have enough storage, especially when it comes to kids. Baby bibs, blankets, and burp clothes take up more space than you think and will soon be followed by an adorable onslaught of stuffed animals, toys, and miniature clothing. Wondering how to make space? Start with the essentials. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.